All right, now let's look at the AP U.S. History National Exam. The test was rewritten in 2014, and so there are different requirements that are on the new test that weren't on the previous. So we're going to go through some of those requirements now. So as I said, there are new requirements and a different format. Students will be required to satisfy several different types of skills. So students must learn to think like a historian, apply and analyze documents. Now these documents will be presented to the students frequently. We will practice this skill over and over and over again. And there are several different types of documents. We have political cartoons, we have photographs, we have pieces of legislation. All of these will be broken down through the several periods that we'll be focusing on in American history throughout the course. Students also need to be able to observe growth and conflict in American history, and lastly, be able to search for new viewpoints. Oftentimes, history has been told through the eyes of the white land-owning male. Well, that's not the case anymore. We need to look at everybody's viewpoint and see how everybody saw history. The AP exam will focus on 9 historical thinking skills, as listed here, and 7 thematic learning objectives. These will be applied in every assignment that we do in some way, shape, or form. All right, so the type of questioning that we're going to see on the new exam would be multiple choice style questions, which often are accompanied with a document of some sort. Like I said, it could be a political cartoon, it could be a painting, or it could be a diary entry. It could be anything of the sort. And then there's typically 2, 3, or 4 questions that go along with every document. Students will also need to be able to write short answer questions, and these will be, again, practiced throughout the year. On the exam, there will be 2 essays that the students will write. The first is the DBQ, or the document-based question essay. These questions are a prompt with a series of documents attached. The only difference between the DBQ and the long essay are the addition of documents. So of course, the DBQ will have the documents, the long essay will not. But they are very similar in how they're written and what is expected. So details for each type of question can be found in your workbook, along with the times and the scoring rubric. All right, and most importantly, like I said before, we are going to practice each type of these questions throughout the year, and through several different content periods and through several different formats, if you will. All right, so I hope that helps you a little bit, but like I said, use your workbook. It really outlines the makeup of the exam and kind of gives you an idea of what you are to expect. Thank you.